everybody, welcome back to Organic Health Nut. So today I'm going to show you my amazing homemade sliders, and it's actually made with 1 pound of lean ground beef and 1 pound of lean pork, okay, which I actually added 2 eggs in with a mixture, and I also added organic whole organic onion. So that's the only ingredients besides from the spice. So the spices that I have used for this amazing sliders is basically pink Himalayan salt. I added rosemary. I added garlic powder, and I added this amazing organic no salt seasoning mix that has like sage, thyme, oregano, you name it, it has everything inside of it. I love it. So basically those are the only ingredients that I used to make these amazing little mini burger sliders. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake it on about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to change the temperature to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for an additional 5 minutes, and it will be done. So let me just do that, and we'll be right back to show you the end result. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm going to show you what I have right now. So this is my my sliders, which is 1 pound of pork ground and 1 pound of ground lean beef. Okay, so it's all cooked and done, and this is what I normally do to make my sliders. So you take one off. It's very hot. Give me a moment. Okay, so you take one, very juicy and delicious. I put one up on my plate here. If you have guests, parties coming, you know, like you have things to do, what I normally do is I put my amazing Earth Island soy-free vegan mayo right on top. You don't need to put a lot. Well, I do because I love my mayo, especially this one I love so much. Okay, so there I have it, my mayo, and then I take my pickles. You could add 2 slices, 3 slices, whatever you like. So you basically, well, before that I'll put my cheese. So this is my my Swiss dairy-free cheese that I was talking to you guys about before. I put that on, and that's the company. It's called 𝐊𝐶𝐾𝐈 Garden Swiss Style Cheese. So it's basically no nuts, no gluten, no soy, no dairy, no palm oil, non-GMO, no cholesterol, and it's actually keto friendly. Then I basically would take my pickles and I'll put that on top, and then I'll take my Q-tip and it goes. There you have it, my delicious sliders, and those are really, really good. Well, because I made so much right over here, I'm just gonna give it a quick taste. So look how it looks inside. It's nice and juicy, and it's all done right. Okay, let's just taste it right now. All right. That is really tasty. All right, guys, there you have it. My homemade delicious beef pork sliders. You don't want to miss it. You have a party. This is very easy to do. Simple ingredients, guys. Make your life easier with simple, delicious, healthy ingredients for your lifestyle. All right, thanks so much for watching. Until next time.